the various nerve injuries in surgery. In paroidectomy, the most common nerve injured is a branch of facial nerve. Okay, any branch of facial nerve is a common nerve injured in parotid surgery. In thyroid surgery, the common nerve injured is external laryngeal nerve. In parathyroid surgery, the common nerve injured is recurrent laryngeal nerve. In esophageectomy, the common nerve injured is, yes, it is vagus nerve. Okay, in thymectomy, the common nerve injured is phrenic nerve. In case of appendicectomy, the common nerve injured is iliohypogastric nerve. In open hernia surgery, the common nerve injured is ilioinguinal nerve. In laparoscopic hernia surgery, the common nerve injured is lateral cutaneous nerve of thigh. In long saphenous vein stripping in a varicose vein, the common nerve injured is saphenous nerve. In short saphenous vein stripping, the common nerve injured is sural nerve. So please don't forget what are the most common nerves injured in surgery.